Hello and welcome to the third part of this tutorial, JavaScript module. I'm going to copy the content of this into a new folder where we can start. So I'm going to call it step 3. Yeah. So in the last section we talked about this file and the script that did the magic in this dynamic generator. So we said to make this script more scalable and efficient, we need to segment some of these functions into files. So before we can do the major uplifting, let's do a testing of how this could work. So I'm going to put this in a file. Let me cut it out. I'm going to put it in the file, and let's call it random.js. Here it goes. So let's test this. Let's test this and see if it still works, and see the kind of errors it brings for us. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, it's saying that get random option is not defined inside the cv.js. So that's true because we removed it. So all we need to do is we need to import it somehow into this cv.js so that we can use it. Now, because we have we've started separating this single file into different files. This is what we call modules. It is now in the form of modules. They are small chunks. So finally, if we want to use them, we have to bring it together. So here, to make use of this inside here, we need to import it at the head here. We make use of the statement called import. We use this destructuring statement here. Then we do bio composer. We import it from this file, the file called random.js. So that's it. Now also, following the same procedure, we have to go to random.js and tell this file that we need this function to be exported. We can actually have other functions, but for this file to know that this function is needed by the public, we make use of export statement here. So that's the way to do it. Export what you want to be used and import it where it needs to be used. Okay, let's check the browser and see any other errors it could have for us. Okay, in the browser, let me try to refresh this. Okay, now it's saying that cv.js, which I know there's an import statement inside it, but it's not a module. Now this browser is looking at this file right now, and it's seeing import statement inside this script, but it's saying it's not a module. So it means that we need to let the browser know that right now we have broken our files into modules, and it needs to know that this is that these are modules, and we just have to find a way to let it know. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, all you have to do, this is it here. It's looking at this file. So what we'll have to do to let it know that this has been broken down into modules, just come here and type, use this attribute type is equal to modules, and that's all. Module, and that's all. In the next video, I'm going to show you, we're going to continue from here and check out some other errors. Okay.